Hey, fellow humans, welcome to the Virtual Presentation Skills Podcast. I'm Kimberly Gilbert, your host. As you may already know, this is the show where we mix professional wisdom, a dash of humor, and a lot of really cool brain science. I am so excited and so grateful to share time with you today. If you're brand new to this podcast, welcome. And hopefully somebody referred you to the podcast. And if you have been a loyal listener for a long time, thank you for helping us grow this show. We are still a smaller podcast. We're still under 10,000 downloads, but we are getting there. We are growing, and it's so very exciting. I am lit on fire by AI. And what I'm about to share with you is absolutely crazy. I started building chatbots several months ago, and I really didn't know what I was doing. I just kind of stumbled on to Base44. And by the way, we do have training available. If you can see the link here, it's Kimberly's VIP Base44 and AI coaching. We have closed VIP Circle 1 already, and VIP Circle 2 is now open, and we have about 9 spots left in VIP Circle 2. Anyway, we'll come back to that in just a little bit. If you don't already have an app, I highly encourage you to consider an app to help you run your business, manage everyday tasks. You can do really cool things like connect your email, no matter what email you're using. If there's a connector on that app, you can connect your email. I am kind of embarrassed to admit this, but I had a little over 40,000 email messages in between all of the different accounts. I have about 4 accounts that are active, and there were about 40,000 email between those accounts. I know it's a little bit embarrassing. Anyway, my super AI agent cleared out I think she's on about 22,000 emails deleted from my email inboxes. Absolutely insane. So not only are we creating apps in our coaching sessions, we're actually creating things like chatbots and super AI agents and exploring all of the really, really cool things you can do to make AI almost plug and play for your business. So I'm really focused on Base44. It's not perfect, but I've had some really good success with Base44. And when I do have an issue, they seem to respond fairly quickly. I do have an upgraded package with Base44. So I think the level of support is a little bit faster on their SLA than on the free service or some of the lower tiers. But you can get a lot done with just the free version. 25 credits is quite a lot. I think it's very generous. You can build an entire app between 1 and 5 credits in most circumstances. I haven't had a client so far that has used more than 5 credits in creating the basic app. And my promise to you, if you decide to engage with my app, we call it the Kimberly app. It's so cool. I will build your first app for free, and there are no strings. I hear people all the time saying, well, Kimberly, what's the catch? There is no catch. I build the app for you. I publish it for you. You get to see the app, touch it, feel it, see if it lights you on fire. And then you fill out an intake form to see if you are right for the VIP coaching. You don't have to attend the coaching. If you decide to, great. I'd love to meet you and see your beautiful face in our coaching sessions. VIP Circle 2, that's the one that's currently open. But you can do whatever you want with the code. You can create a free Base44 account, and I will show you how to create the app in your own workspace if that's what you choose to do. And like I've had quite a few clients say, well, once the app is created, can I do anything I want with the code? Of course, it's yours. This is absolutely free. This is the business model. I build the app for you for free after you fill out the intake form or you're referred from somebody I know. I'm looking for very specific clients for these VIP coaching circles that are really ready to fast track their business. You want to make money in your sleep? Let me teach you how to do it. I'm doing it and I'm still proving out some of the business models, but right now, everything is doable. You can create almost anything. If you can think of something in your mind, it's very likely you can create it. So I'm going to pause to share a VIP ad with you, and then I'm going to make a couple of comments on it when we come back.
Whoa.
What's that?
I just built a budgeting app in Base44.
Guys, Nina just built an app.
Impossible.
Nina can't code.
Interesting. Can it generate reports?
It can now.
Nice.
So you're saying we can all build apps now?
Yeah.
I'm on lunch. I gotta make a call.
I'll be in my office.
Just built an inventory tracker. Protein calculator. Book sharing app.
A workflow manager that
Tracks who still owes for the group lunch.
Trash duty schedule.
Since no one seems to care.
just built a
I
performance
just created a goal
manager.
tracking system.
We built the same thing, didn't we?
Yep. Can this thing manage contact? Is
I want to animate this graph.
Create a party planner.
Profesor de español.
An inter-office dating app. For dogs. For office dogs. You know what I mean?
Oh, what I want you to know about these ads is that, yes, it's absolutely possible. This technology is something called vibe coding, which means you can just enter a sentence into the app builder and boom, away you go. You're on your way to an app in typically it's less than 5 minutes. I've seen some of the basic apps come back in 2 to 3 minutes. I had one app that was a little bit more extensively built on the first run by somebody who actually hired me to coach them. So I built the app out a little bit more extensively than I normally would. That one took about 7 minutes. But imagine creating a business in 7 minutes. Something that you've had in your mind for years and years and years, and you've wanted to launch, or you want a side hustle, or you already have a thriving business, but you are drowning in admin tasks like I was. The social media piece is something I'm building on the back end, and I'm actually going to test this video with a new technology I built inside of Base44 using their app builder. So I just want to be clear to you that I did not invent this technology. A lot of people come back and say, oh, you invented Base44. No, I absolutely did not. As a matter of fact, I stumbled on Base44 out of the dire need to create an app for one of my products. I've got all these go live checklists to help people understand the virtual world and virtual presentations and how to set up your background. And one of them is the group virtual office audit. So take a peek at this if you haven't already gone through the advanced virtual office audit or the group virtual office audit. Just take a peek at it. They're really fun. It's 30 minutes, 7 steps, and you will not be sorry you shared 30 minutes with me or one of my coaches. So getting back to the app, I searched and searched and searched. I cannot tell you how frustrated I was looking for an app for a couple of my products. I've owned this business for 22 years and I've had so many people, thousands of people say, Kimberly, why can't people find you? Where are you? Where was this training when we actually needed the training? And how do we get more of it? And I thought, gosh, if I just had an app. So I searched and searched and searched, and basically in the middle of the night, I came across Base44, and I would not believe it's this easy. If this had not happened to me organically, I would never believe it. So how does this tie in to Everything Webinar, Virtual Presentation Skills Podcast? This app has allowed me to grow these businesses exponentially and save my mind, not pull my hair out in the friction that's created with potentially administrative assistants I've hired in the past. There's been a lot of friction there. The social media tasks are now almost automated. So I don't have the exact proven blueprint yet, but I am so, so close to having a blueprint I can share with you. And then I'll also invite you to my chatbot in a day training. So first there's the app and understanding what the app is, receiving your app, either me building it for you for free, or just go sign up for a Base44 account. As soon as I have my affiliate link, which Base44 is dragging their feet on, by the way, I did sign up to be an affiliate partner, and they have not responded to me yet, so I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, I still love Base44, even though, it's not perfect. I think they're growing really, really fast, and they did not expect to scale this quickly. So going back to the process is building a free app, learning how to use it. When you are in my coaching sessions, you can hire me for private one-on-one coaching. And there's a lot of different offers when you log into that Kimberly app, which I highly recommend. Log into this app and explore and see what is available to you, all of the different offers we have. I built that basic app in under 2 hours, the framework of it. Now, I've gone back and added the cool things like the glow buttons and different points of entry. I added a paywall. But when you are on the back end, when you are part of one of those VIP circles, you are going to be blown away. And you're also going to be blown away at how this process, this learning journey will go for you. You are very well supported. Anyone in my VIP circles, please shout out. You're very well supported. And there is a community of people who are right there with you in the app building process. They have just as many questions as you do. So we're doing this together. Sometimes I learn a new skill. I use that skill to build something. And then the very next day I launch it. I'm not kidding. The skill set ramps so quickly. I have so many testimonials coming. It's blowing my mind. I did not expect for the coaching to become what it is. I knew we would have a Q&A coaching and we'd make really good progress because I'm so passionate about virtual presentation skills and this app. And at the end of the day, I'm a trainer. I'm a coach. So I love what I do. But I did not expect the outcomes we are seeing with the coaching clients. Anyway, just take a minute to explore it, see if it's something you're interested in. If you want an app to run your business, answer your email for you. If you want your app to look like a website, it can look like a website. And apps are becoming more and more searchable every single day. And I'm learning more and more about that every single day. So woohoo, to super AI agents, chatbots, and all of the cool things we can do with the technology. And I'm testing some of it right now with this video. So we'll see how quickly I can use Descript. I'm actually using Descript to record, and then I'm using Underlord to help clip and edit this particular recording. I hope to meet you in the next episode where we go live from the waist up.